That don't work. Wait, do you have to cock it first?
I don't know.
It's non-drawback.
I have no idea. Hit, hit, hit! Yeah, that's why I gotta turn these off. No enemy in the spawn. Yeah, yeah. You're good, you're good. I'm just playing. Green?
Yeah, green.
Heard. Heard.
What?
I can't see. I can't see.
Here's clear. Fine. What you can do?
My mask is fogging up. Alright, oh, no, you're good, you're good. Excuse me. Oh, I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead. Hold on, my mask is fogging up. I just need to step outside for a second. Not good, not good.
Hi.
Oh, excuse me, guys, excuse me. You're good. What's going on here? Hey Mo, you in there? Ethan, can you hear me? Surrender me timbers?
Yeah. They're over there.
Heard?
I'm on the right next to the
Heard?
Yeah.
That was hilarious. I dodged too.
What color? Green. Okay, shine your light on him. Green. I'm trying to shoot.
Green?
Joking, I know.
Green? Green?
Hey, right here, here.
Heard?
Oh, I mean, no, never mind. Nobody's there. Hi. I got people this way. Bill.
Heard.
Can you turn your light on? I can't see. I don't like that. I'm not. Yeah, are you there? I can't see you. Where are you, dog? Where are you? What? Okay, I clear. Ready, walk me. Ready? Run. 3, 2, 1, go. Go. Ready? Go. I got right. Clear. Behind you. I'll go behind you. I'm following you, swords. I'm aiming over your shoulder.
You're dead.
Okay. He shot me too close.
It's okay. He was dead either way. Whoa! Sorry, dude. That was full auto. I'll respond. I'm sorry. I'm still gonna respond. I have more honor than that. Yeah, I had to turn my lights off. Lights off! Hey, no, don't shoot. Whoa! Grenade! Grenade!
You guys down there.
Heard? Sir! I'll take it.
Trade.
Trade.
Oh my God!
You shot me, dude.
I was not expecting to see an explosion.
You like that?
Yeah, I like that.
It was a BB grenade. You ever seen one of these?
Yeah, I've seen that.
Okay, cool.
My laser is off.
What do you mean? Oh, it's not centered?
No, it's not centered at all.
Uh-oh. Go zero it
Yeah, I got it.
when you get a chance.
Yeah, I'll fix it. Alright.
Don't point at yourself. Dead man. Dead man. Hey guys. Dead man. Thunder! What the heck? No!
Just to even it out a little bit.
Hey man, keep an eye out for me. I'm gonna keep an eye out for you.
I'm looking for
I'm looking for you now. Whoa. That you, Ethan?
Yes.
Alright, so, did you know Mo's on the other team?
The Gilbert? Yeah.
Okay, I did. I had no idea. So one of my teammates is now on the other team.
I'll do two.
Let's go over here with my other guy then.
Roger.
So they just
Am I
took...
at Randall?
Huh?
Not yet. I'm not at
Hope not. So they've been switching up players all day. So yeah, they just took one of my guys. Kind of disappointing, but hey, if that's what the refs want to do, I'll go along with it. I would go in there.
Oh, shoot, I'm almost out of ammo.
Go in that room, and then come out through if you can. Meet me in the next room. Surrender! Oh, I'll take that one. Dead man. Scared the shit out of him. Green, green. You good? What's up?
What's up?
You good?
Yeah.
Nice.
Did you see me holding the hostage?
I heard it. I heard the chaos.
I was holding like this. I was holding like, hey, let's go. Yeah, no, the ref said I can't talk. Walking around the ring like, I was like, hey, you shoot me, I shoot him.
You can't. That's all I was saying. I was like, that's all I was thinking over on the other side. I heard it from like the other side of the map.
Yeah, there's a lot of thinking over here. It'll be gone though.
Heard. Surrender. Oh. Green. Whoa! Hit. I mean, hit. I was close. Damn. Go. Dead man.
Hi.
Hi.
My friend likes you.
What's up?
He likes you.
Oh. You like my setup?
Yeah.
Thank you.
And more than that.
Oh.
He likes your stairs.
Oh, good. I've been doing this for a while. I used to play speedball, paintball. I got like 30 years of online first-person shooter experience. That's how I'm able to memorize maps so easily. Surrender?
There's a lot of pink over here, right?
Where?
Follow me.
I'll go. Whoa. Okay. Wait.
Damn, bro.
Dead man.
I don't know, you can do that.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, no. Okay, alright, let's go.
You have to respawn first.
Wee.
Yeah, you continue.
Oh, I shouldn't be using comms then. Mo! You on comms? No, he's not. Are you on comms? Someone's on comms.
Dude, one of our teammates just shot me 2 feet away in the shoulder.
Ow. Alright, well,
I don't know what area.
I think he put his like headset away or something. So that's just a distraction at this point. Whoa. I could be. Surrender. Whoa. One of you guys.
The hostage situation was funny.
Oh, hell yeah, dude. I thought that was... I heard it from across the map. I couldn't do anything about it, so that's why I was just, like, laughing. Surrender. Surrender. Ah, nice.
Oh, never mind, we're on the team.
We are?
No,
Yay! Oh, nice shot, dude. Out. Hit. Dead man. Dead. What's up? What are we doing?
Are they still there?
Who?
Straight up, enemy too.
No. They would have shot me by now. Surrender. Bang. Bang. Ah, what the hell was that? Is that you? Oh, you! Oh, dead man. Need support? On your 6. Pushing left. Still on your left. Nice, 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 guys. I'm pushing up. Green, green, green. I like to go over here. This is my favorite spot. Here, you want to stay here? This is my second favorite. Hey, we'd probably be better off going over there. You want to try to flank them? Surrender, surrender. Oh, green, 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 green. It's green. I'm green. I'm green. I'm green.
Surrender.
Ah, yeah, yeah, yeah.
I am dead.
I'm dead. I'm going the wrong way, though.
Wait, no! No!
Yeah, I know, dude. I know! Ref's call, bro. Ref's call. I know. The pain. The agony. Dead man.
Dead man, I'm a dead.
I'm a dead, too.
Man walking
Dead man.
I'm a dead man. We both medicine that I'm dead.
Dead. Alright, let's try that again. Yeah, so they just switched them over like this round.
Uncle too? Or what's his name?
Oh, Mo?
No, the other guy.
No, oh, my other guy? No. Woo!